Hello and welcome to this Curiko video tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to sign up for a group experience. It's super straightforward, so without further ado, let's get started. You're going to first navigate to the Curiko homepage by entering into the address bar curiko.ca. Curiko is spelled C-U-R-I-K-O.ca. From here, if you aren't logged in already, you're going to want to click the yellow login button on the top right corner. This will take you to the Curiko login page. From here, you're going to type in your account information. Mine is already all set up there. And then you press login. If you don't already have a Curiko account, you can check out the tutorial how to sign up for an account on a computer. So I'm going to press login, and it's going to take me to the Curiko homepage. From here, if I want to find a group experience, then I'm going to click Discover Experiences. From here, I can either scroll down all the way to group and see a couple here, or I can click Choose by Format, and this is going to show the different types of experiences we have. We have one-on-one, group, box, and video, and we're looking today for group experiences, so I'm going to click on that. Clicking on that will show all the group experiences that are coming up in the near future. So it is currently December 6th, 2021, and tomorrow we have Coach's Corner hosted by Little Woo. And so let's say I want to sign up for that. I will click right on it. It's going to take me to the home page of that experience, where I'll have the chance to read a bit more about it and what it's about. You'll see the time. If I want to see more times that this experience is running, I can click See More Times. This has all the group experience times listed for this month. And to confirm my attendance, unlike Comic Do, if you used Comic Do before, I'm going to want to click Book Your Group Experience. Okay, it gives me the time and when it's happening, a bit of a countdown there. And then I'm going to want to go into Get Reminded. Now, the Curiko platform will remind me 1 hour before the experience starts that it's coming up. And that's all you need to do. So, I hope you have fun exploring the different group experiences on the platform, and I hope to see you on one soon.